Your success in business or as an employee in any organization depends on your ability to communicate. If you can write clearly, you will last longer in any business or in the organization where you are working. Hello friends, welcome to your channel. This third part of video contains next 5 rules to be followed in your business writing or in your official communication. Please watch our first 2 parts of the video, the link of which I have given below. Watch this video from the beginning till the end without skipping. Now let us go to the next 5 rules. As we have already covered 10 rules, rule number 11. Be specific about time. What you say and what you mean are 2 different things. So you should be specific about time. Let me explain with an example. If you communicate to your assistant that you want the April sales report as soon as possible, what does it mean? You want the sales report by today or tomorrow or after 2 days or next week. So it is better to be specific by communicating to your assistant as I want the April sales report by 5 p.m. today or by 10 a.m. tomorrow. Rule number 12. Write concretely than abstractly. Here the difference between writing that is abstract and writing that is concrete. Concrete nouns can be seen, heard, tasted, touched, whereas abstract nouns can't be. Examples for concrete nouns are people, animals, objects and places. And examples for abstract nouns are events, ideas, states of mind, emotions, qualities and conditions. Manager is a concrete noun, whereas management is an abstract noun. If you are abstract in your writing, your readers might ignore your message. Some examples for abstract language versus concrete language. Instead of writing, it received a lot of feedback. You better write. The sales department received 580 positive responses for the company's products. Another example, instead of writing, we need A4 sheets. You write, we need 5 reams of A4 sheets. Instead of writing, they will discuss a manpower shortage problem. You have to write, the HR department will discuss the manpower shortage of production department. Rule number 13. Assemble the words in correct order. Means you have to be definite than ambiguous. Ambiguity happens when a word, phrase or statement has more than one meaning. Your writing is ambiguous if your reader interprets your meaning in more than one way. For example, if you write the advocate for the case along with his legal team, does it mean the advocate for the case against his legal team? So the correct way of writing this statement is the advocate along with his legal team for the case. So you as a writer should make sure that your writing is not in an ambiguous way. Rule number 14. Be proper with pronouns. Pronoun refers to a previously used noun, typically a person or object. That noun is called the antecedent. The pronouns you use will be ambiguous when their antecedents are unclear. For example, Akash is a subsidiary of Baiju which executed an agreement. Here, the confusion is whether Akash executed the agreement or Baiju. So the correct way of writing this statement is Akash is a subsidiary of Baiju. Akash executed the agreement. So another example, After managing director briefs the sales manager, he will brief the sales team. Here, who will brief the sales team? Managing director or the sales manager? So the correct way of writing this statement is, after managing director briefs the sales manager will brief the sales team. Rule number 15. Use active voice. The active voice is when a subject does an action to an object. You might be knowing that a subject is followed by a verb and then by an object. For example, the training manager trained the production team. Here, the training manager is a subject, trained is a verb, and the production team or production department is an object. If you wrongly write this statement as the production team was trained by the training manager, here the passive voice is used and emphasis is put on the object, that is the production team. So here is another example. The sales target of 500 crore was achieved by the new sales team. The subject gives importance to the object, that is the sales target, instead of the new sales team. So the correct way of writing this statement is, the new sales team achieved the target of 500 crores. So these are the next 5 rules you should follow for your business writing or for your official communication. Hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching this video. All the best.